If you're looking for a career change or simply want to add another source of income, becoming a notary loan signing agent in Florida could be for you. There's constant demand in this profession. Whenever people are getting a mortgage, refinance their property, there will be a need for signing agent to handle the loan documents. As a signing agent, you'll be responsible to walk through the set of loan documents with the borrower and witness them in signing the paperwork. If you're interested in starting your own business in Florida, becoming a notary loan signing agent is definitely the way to go. Hi, this is Anna from Real Estate Career HQ. In this video, my colleague and I will go over the step-by-step in how to become a notary loan signing agent in Florida. Not only that you will learn all the state requirement and the application process, we also interviewed several loan signing agents in Florida. They are all incredibly successful professionals in this industry and will share with you their journey and insights in this business. So after watching this video, be sure to check out the interviews. You can find the links in the description box below. Will, can you first go over some of the few steps in becoming a loan signing agent?
Of course, Anna. The first step is meeting the eligibility requirement. A loan signing notary needs to be at least 18 years old, be a legal resident of Florida, and able to read and write English. The second step is completing the notary education course. This is a 3-hour course approved by Florida Department of State, and you may find it on their website. Before you can access to the course, you first need to create an account. It is under the Notary Education Program section. The course will cover topics such as the duties of the notary public and electronic notarization. There are 8 sections and you'll need to answer questions at the end of each. A timer will track how long you spend taking the assessment. The timer will appear at the top of each page and above each section's questions. However, since the course is designed to be at least 3 hours long, even if you are a quick learner, you can only move to the next section after 23 minutes. Once you complete the entire course, you can print out the course completion certificate. It will show your name, date, and certificate number. This document is to prove to the State Department that you have completed the course. But keep in mind that it is only good for 1 year from the issue date.
Thanks, Will. The next step is to get the surety bond. The Florida Department of State requires you to purchase a $7,500 surety bond. You must get it from a licensed surety such as a notary bonding company, an insurance company, or a notary organization. They will also electronically transfer your notary applications to the notary commissions and certification section. You can find the link to the list of surety bond providers on our blog, so be sure to check out after you watch this video. But keep in mind that the surety bond is to protect those that uses your notary services and not you as a notary public. Therefore, if you're looking for professional liability insurance that protects yourself against claims for inadequate work or negligent actions, you should look in an error and omission insurance. Now it's the time to submit the Notary Public Commission application. The questions on it are pretty straightforward, for example, your name, business address, driver license, and answer some background questions. Furthermore, you'll need to find an affidavit of character to sign the application. This is to confirm that they believe you are a trustworthy person. This person must know you more than a year, but cannot be related to you. It's important to sign the application with your official signature. There is a fee of $39. On the last page of the application, you are required to fill out the Bond of Notary Public form. You must sign and include details of the surety company. Once everything is in good order, you may send it to the surety bond company. Also, remember to include the proof of course completion. Then they will submit your application to the Florida Department of State.
Thanks, Anna. Once the Florida Department approves your application, they will send the Notary Public Commission certificate to the bonding agency. Then they will forward it to you. You've worked hard in getting the certificate, so after you receive it, it's important to review and make sure all the details are correct. Check the name on it, county of residence, and commission dates. Now it's the time to start your loan signing business. But before that, you need to get a few business supplies. First, you'll need to get a notary seal. You may purchase it from the surety bond company, or you may get it from another vendor. But make sure that their seal would meet the Florida Department of State's requirement. For example, it must include the words Notary Public State of Florida, your name as the notary public, the commission number and expiration date. We include the requirement details on our blog, so be sure to check it out after watching this clip. Another helpful business supply is the journal. Although it is not required by law, it is an essential part of good business practice. It can show that you have taken reasonable steps to identify the signer of a document. For example, you may record when was the date of the notarial act. What are the documents involved? Who is the person whose signature was notarized? And what is their address? You should consider using a permanently bound journal than the ones with loose-leaf pages, because their pages are more difficult to be removed or lost. Once again, you may find it at the surety bond company, office supply stores, or through notary organizations. For both the seal and journal, make sure you keep them in a locked and secured area where only you have direct access to it. The last step is to register as a remote online notary public. Becoming one could bring you great convenience to streamline your notary practice and remain competitive in the industry. To register, you'll need to fill out the registration for online notary application. You are also required to have a bond with a minimum amount of $25,000. An E&O with at least $25,000 coverage. A registration fee. And complete a course that covers the duties, obligation and technology requirements of being an online notary public. So back to you, Anna.
Thank you so much, Will. So here are the steps to become a notary loan signing agent in Florida. But are you still unsure how to get started? Don't worry. You can hop onto our blog, realestatecareerhq.com. In there, you can find all the details to start your loan signing business in Florida. We also cover some of the most common questions about this profession. How much money can you make? What are some resources to know about the notary laws? We also interviewed several successful loan signing agents, so you may learn about their journey in the notary business. Once again, this is Anna from Real Estate Career HQ. I wish you all the best in the loan signing career in Florida. I'll see you at our site.